PH. Set number 1 is almost here. So first that will be serving is Trixie Gohol. Ito si Trixie started also the previous game pero pinalitan siya midway through neto ni Coach Aying Esteban against the University of Perpetual Help. Kaya ang nakarami doon na setting sa kanila itong si Princess Manarang. Alright, attack error right away. This is what you don't want to see if you are an EAC fan.
Yes, especially since sinabi natin kanina na ito ang naging issue sa previous game nila, yung errors nila. So, hopefully that doesn't happen again.
Again, an attack error to begin. They gave out 42 errors in the previous match. Mapua rin, 32 naman. So, okay. So, katulad po nung pinakita namin sa inyong stats, ang main problem na magkabilang panic natin ang siyang magbibigay sa kanila ng unang puntos sa isa't isa. Both unforced errors to begin the match here. So George Lute, she has turned out to be the primary setter neto ni Coach Rod dahil si Ann Formento may iniinda pa. Kaunti na lang na hamstring injury. Jen Umapas, lefty push. Will not drop. Kat Almazan, gagawa ng paraan. Gohol with the underhand reverse setup. Reyes tries cross court, is dug up. Back attack. Oh, that's outside. Para dito kay De La Cruz.
De La Cruz overcooking that back row hit.
So both of Mapua's points so far coming off an unforced error and an attack error. So EAC, again, this is a team na unti-unti nakukuha na nila yung identity nila at natututunan na nila Cheska na manalo ng mga sets.
Yes, they just need that finisher.
Yeah. Yun na lang talaga ang kulang. Pero ito, kinargahan. Efrain Garcia, we saw a lot of that against Perpetual.
Garcia targeting cross court. Alam mo, medyo delikado pa yun eh. React siya eh. Pa-outside na, but the libero of the EAC Lady Generals picking it up.
Yeah. And she knew it. Alam niya na, medyo malakas yun. Reyes. Garcia is tasked to set this one up to her fellow rookie. That is popped up by Lute. Reyes. And here comes Mapua. De La Cruz. Oh. Going under that ball. Kaya sumobra.
May gigil yung palo ni De La Cruz. You know, maybe she was trying for a check ball, but that was too high.
Roxy De La Cruz with 16 points against Perpetual. We were expecting her to be the leading scorer talaga nitong Mapua, but so far it's been Reka Blanca and Freyan Garcia na naghalin-hinan to become the top scorer in each game. Real tayo. Service error. Ang magdadala sa atin dito, it is Nicole Ong who had 4 blocks. Imagine, against the towers of the Lady Altas. Boom! Off the block. Kill block para sa Mapua.
That was a good block by Babiera.
Taps Babiera.
You know, ang ganda ng timing niya sa bola eh. Tumalon na yung kanya opposite spiker pero siya nagpalit ng konti.
Oo.
And she got the block.
Parang nabasa niya na magko-cross court itong si Almazan. Umapas from the back. Oh, it catches the line.
Good target by Umapas. Getting that line in zone 6.
Coach Rod told me itong si Jen Umapas yung isa sa mga inaasahan niya this season. Kasi ang ganda daw ng performance dun sa kanilang mga off-season tournaments. Pero obviously, Chess, iba talaga yung intensity kapag ka Mother League na, yung NCAA na, no?
Yes, kasi may pride na eh. Isang account na-account mo na yung pride sa games dito. And of course, yung atmosphere and yung pressure from your school then.
That's right. That's right. So, lahat na yun, combined na yun. So, it adds up to the players' pressure. But speaking of pressure, Chacha Villena, calm and composed at the service line, scoring an ace. EAC pulls ahead. 5-4. encouraging start for the white shirts. Oh, quick attack mula kay Babs Babiera.
Good target by Babiera. Targeting yung middle attacker din na nasa likod of the Lady Generals. Alam mo, medyo meron tayong conception na medyo mahina ang receive at dumipensa ang mga middle blockers. So that was a good target for her.
Oh, okay. Kasi nga, as we see this error on Mapua's side, let's check out what happened first. Humawak pa. Okay. Always a point nonetheless for EAC. But you're right, ano, bihira. Siyempre, pag matangkad, mas mahirap talagang dumipensa.
You need to reach the floor eh. Kasi yun ang laging pinapaalala ng coaches.
That's right.
Bumaba kayo, bumaba kayo, bumaba kayo. Wow!
Almazan. Wow, early production here in the opening set for Kat. She's been getting her way so far.
Far cross court, getting that line. Alam mo, tinignan na lang ng libero eh because she was, medyo nakaabante siya. So, hinabaan ni Almazan yung palo niya and the libero couldn't get to it.
Ooh! Jump serve from Jen Omapas goes straight to the net. So, ito si Perez was also utilized by Coach Aying against Perpetual. Pumasok na kanina, pinalitan si De La Cruz. So, Roxy will head to the bench first. Almazan with a combination play. And we head to our first technical timeout with EAC in front. But how about this emphatic hit? She is rolling here in set number 1 at Almazan. Pagbalik natin, let's hear a report from Stephanie Benito.
Basketball junkie ako eh. So, Jomo, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So, medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation eh. Who believe that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation. Wow! Kasama na kita. Kasi yun yung conversation natin kanina. Ako, Jaworski tsaka Jolie pa yung but again.
You're watching the NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. This season has not been smooth sailing so far for both teams as the Mapua Lady Cardinals are still trying to bounce back from their losses while the EAC Lady Generals are still trying to look for their first win. Kaya nga para sa coach ng Lady Cardinals na si Coach Aying Esteban, maturity daw ang napapansin niyang rason kung bakit nahihirapan silang makasungkit ng panalo. Hilaw pa daw kasi ang kanyang mga manlalaro dahil karamihan nga ay mga rookies pa. So to combat this, Coach Aying reminded his team to be good decision makers inside the court and to play productively, rookie ka man o veteran. Para naman kay Coach Rod Palmero ng Lady Generals, confidence at self-discipline naman ang nakikita niyang rason sa mga heartbreaking losses. Kaya naman more than just their physical health, ay mas nag-focus daw ang coaching staff in helping them mentally by motivating the team coming into this game. Gaya nga nung nakasulat sa board sa loob ng dugout ng Lady Generals na lagi ding paalala ni Coach Rod, enjoy, trust yourself, and trust each other. That's their key to winning today. Ito muna sa ngayon sa magkabilang panig, Martin and Cheska.
Thank you so much, Stephanie. That's a great report on our coaches and what they had to say about the performance of their respective teams. Pero unahin ko muna yung kay Coach Rod, confidence and discipline, lalong-lalo na sa mga dulo ng set pag kailangan na nilang tumapos.
Yes. Alam mo, malaking factor kasi yung mental health sa paglalaro eh. You can be prepared physically, pero pag yung mentally hindi ka makasunod, yung kinakabahan ka, sige, alam mo yun, sinasize up mo na agad na mas malakas yung kalaban mo sa inyo.
Yeah.
You know, it's a big deal para sa mga players na talagang magte-tense up ka habang naglalaro eh. So, maganda yung sinabi ni Coach na, you know, they need to be more confident in the way they play kasi nag-training naman silang lahat eh. Pare-pareho sila nag-training.
Sabi rin sa akin ni Coach Rod, as we see this wing from Raisa Rica Blanca, sa practice naman daw, maganda galawan. Grabe yung intensity. Sa game itself na talaga, when you know, you face the bright lights, you know, it's televised. So, Nagdag yung pressure, kaya medyo talagang, yan, you mentioned, nagiging tense yung galawan ng mga players. Para naman kay Coach Aying Esteban, you know, this is a team that made it to the Final Four a season ago. And a lot is expected for them in season 99. So if you are a rookie, tama siya, kahit rookie, kahit veteran, kailangan mo mag-perform. If you're a rookie, you need to grow up quickly. Diba? You don't have time to, you know, to take a few games and work on your maturity. Kailangan mabilis yung growth mo.
Yes, kasi that's what the preseason leagues are for.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's true. Yeah.
But ang gusto ko lang sa sinabi ni Coach Ying is, you know, kailangan nilang mag-isip.
Yeah.
You just need to think. And that's a good advice for me. Kasi palaging nire-reason yan eh. Kapag wala kang game, you know, they say na, ay, rookie
Mm-hmm.
team kasi sila. But, you know, pagka nag-iisip kasi yung mga players, it doesn't matter kung rookie ka or not. If you're thinking, makakagalaw ka ng maayos eh.
That's right. By the way, at this point, kanina abante pa ang EAC. Ngayon Mapua na, courtesy of a 4-0 flurry from the Lady Cardinals. Naibalik itong Lady Generals dito, ang isang puntos doon. So, George Lute to serve. Things quickly changing here in the opening set.
Yeah.
Because early on, it was all in favor of EAC. Ngayon, pagkatapos ng technical timeout, bilis ng bawi ng Mapua. 2 points for Nicole Ong.
Power tip from Nicole Ong, targeting yung center side. Kasi alam mo, magandang target din yan because if the center picks up the ball first, wala nang set. Diba?
Oh.
They throw it to open na lang.
Yeah. It's gonna be an easier take kung maitatawid man nila.
That's right.
So, 12-10, Frian Garcia. Lute. Reyes. Guiding it left. But it was wide.
Yeah, you can see na iniwasan niya talaga yung blocker. Kaya yung pag-sway niya dun sa bola, talagang diretso palabas eh.
Oo. Ito actually si Crazy Reyes, isa sa mga ina-expect natin mag-emerge for EAC. Because when it comes to firepower, alas pareha sila ng kalibre ni Almazan eh. Oh, Ong. Strong tip. Isa pa mula kay Nicole Ong. Mapas. That one was deflected. Trixie Gahol to Berses. Oh, kept alive. What an effort from De Andres. Pero may save din dito si Garcia. Rica Blanca. Drop. Pasang-basa ni Umapas. Villana with a lefty push. Sarado. Sabi ni Nicole Ong. Reyes. Rally continues. Longest one so far. Ooh. De Andres with a good dig again. Back attack. Not gonna work, says Garcia. Ong. Ooh. That was low from Nicole Ong.
Medyo talagang mababa eh. She tried to get it across pero talagang mababa yung bigay ng bola.
Longest rally so far in the match. Both teams showing us solid floor defense and net defense na rin. Fraser Reyes to serve. Gahol. Backs it for Rica Blanca. Mapua retaliates quickly here.
That was a good spike by Rica Blanca. The libero of the Lady Generals. Inulang siya doon eh. Kasi paatras pa si Diandres. But she dug the ball up habang paatras pa siya. So wala siyang solid control doon sa bola.
Malakas pa naman. Uy! That's an ace! For Nicole Ong, iniwasan ng EAC. They thought it was going long.
Diandres attempted.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi na kinuha ni Reyes.
Ganda yung targeting din ni Nicole Ong doon. Here's the first pass. Umapas down the line. Nandoon si Ong. Over to Rica Blanca. Who had to adjust because that was too near the net.
Na-off yung kanyang approach. But you know, yun yung mga sinasabi ni Coach, ayun yung mga moments na pwede nilang gamitin yung smarts.
Oo,
You know,
yeah.
if he can't hindi mo na mapapalo, you can just, gagawa mo na lang siya ng paraan talaga eh. Just to get it across. Kasi sa volleyball, a point is a point. Kapag nag-error ka, point na ng kalaban. So, mas okay na lang to keep it alive.
That's right. And it's, well, as an attacker, lefty attacker, it's always tricky.
Yes.
Diba? Kapag kakaliwete siya. Lalo yung sa setter din, tricky rin yung mga sets niya, di ba? Iba kasi yung diskarte dyan.
Yes, that would have been easier for a right-handed spiker.
Oh, correct. Here's Almazan, who repositioned for that attack. Back row hit. Oh, it is denied. Wow. Magalona.
She had a good read on that back row attack. Talagang kitang-kita mo, diretso sa kamay niya yung bola eh.
Bam! The denial. Single block nito ni Magalona. You like the reaction afterwards. Ang grabe yung sigaw niya doon. 13-15. Captain of VAC this year, itong si Gallardas. Bam! Better attack from Rica Blanca. Omapas. Underhand setup over to the other side. Perses pushing it through.
Yes, that was off the block for Perses.
Second technical timeout. It is Mapua in front by 3.
Coach Hammer versus Mads.
Much respect. Totally dominant player.
Facts.
Diba?
Thank you so much to everybody who tuned in. Patikim pa lang po ito. We are so excited for what's to come. Game On Podcast with me, Martin, and Coach Hammer. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanood. Reminder though, NCAA Season 99 Volleyball Tournament with our ultimate analyst. My name is Anton Ross.
NCAA Season 99 on GTV, the Women's Volleyball Tournament. Dr. Lorenzo. Mancom representative from EAC. And masayang nanonood dito. Thank you for watching us. Via live stream as well, NCAA Philippines at GMA Sports PH. And Sir Melchor Divina, mula naman sa Mapua University. And Sir Melchor, sanay kumaway eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Steady lang. 16-13, it is Mapua ahead by 3, fully recovering dito sa ating opening set. At ito na, si Princess Manarang, secondary setter. Papalitan si Trixie Gohol. Nats Perses was the one who scored right before our technical timeout. That's a rookie from Angeles, Pampanga. Itong si Nadine Perses. Almazan. Back row approach. Ultimately falling short.
Yes. Reyes trying to just get the ball across. Ginagawa niya na lang ng paraan. Pero kinulag yung power dun sa top spin eh.
Hirap din nakuha niya doon. So Manarang. Oh! That one. Kung may point yung pagtama sa antena yung pag-target, utos yun. Pero siyempre outside yun. Anformento coming in for the first time. Ito yung backup setter ni Coach Rod Palmero. Razonable also coming in, doble palet para kay Coach Rod. So Omapas and Lut going out. It's Formento and Razonable in. Oh, Mapua with the rotation error.
Ito yung mga kinds ng errors na ayaw ng kahit sinong coaches na magawa ng team.
Libre. Tapos, kakaserve pa lang, hindi pa nagsisimula yung rally.
Yes, and also, sa training pa lang, alam niyo na yung position niyo lahat.
Oh, this is a better pickup for Mapua. Perses, na-check na. Teguzman. Razonable. Tries here. Nothing there. Manarang. Choosing Teguzman again. Binuhay ni Reyes. Almazan. Abuelo. Cross-court kill for Kat Almazan.
And I love the celebration after that hit. You know? Powerful hit from Almazan. Cross-court. And that was from a loose ball.
Yeah.
Talagang galing na sa likod. makikita mo kung gaano siya kagaling mag-adjust sa bola.
Paklaseng Kat Almazan yung nakikita natin this season. Much better scorer. Mapapower o diskarte. Really improving. Perses! Yes! How about Nats Perses? I call her the nonchalant spiker of Mapua.
Yeah, you can see no reaction after that hit.
Nagkaan ng cross-court niya doon. Pero yung teammates pa niya yung mas hyped up.
Yeah, she's deadpan lang eh, no?
Oh, she serves now. Almazan! Wow! Bumalik ang bola. Push by Razonable. It is sent back by Garcia.
Yeah. Razonable fumbling that ball kasi binigay niya ng easy drop ball. Binalik sa kanya ng heavy block.
Yeah.
And she needs to step up silang dalawa ni Formento because ito yung mga substitution na kailangan para may blocker sa harap eh.
Yeah.
Para may attacker, 3 spikers pa rin sa harap. So,
Ito, nabibigyan ng chance ang EAC.
yes.
It is another error on the side of Mapua. Let's check this one out. Babs Papiera called for this one. We'll see if she touched the net.
That was over-received
Over-received
actually.
pala, hindi pala net touch.
And dahil po back row ang setter ng Mapua, bawal silang mag-over ng bola above the net.
Perses targeting Cordial. Almazan. Oh, it's outside.
That was wide for Almazan. Pero that was a good target because walang tao doon.
Yeah. So you can tell she reads the defense first before she attempts. Babs Babiera, the veterans of this Mapua team. Been here in the league for a while now. Maybe 3 seasons already for Babs. Razonable off the block.
That was a good attack by Razonable using her blockers to get that point.
So EAC keeps it close dito sa ating opening set. Nagbabalik para sa Lady Generals. Itong si Jaja Villana replacing their captain, Ada Gallardes.
Yes. Yung namang substitution na yun is for the defense naman sa back row.
Okay.
Para andun yung libero and then nandun din yung captain nila na madepensa. Oof.
Nagtinginan lang doon yung EAC. Nicole Ong scores on the slight push. Check out natin ito.
There were 2 people there.
Yeah.
Pero walang nag-pick up ng bola.
Walang nag-mine. Okay, Coach Rod.
Wala silang ginagawang mahirap eh. Kayo ang nagpapahirap dun sa galaw. Hindi sila. Hindi nyo nasisecure kasi imbis na kayo yung mag-secure nung galaw nyo, hindi nyo sinisecure. Gusto natin huwag tayo mataranta. Wala namang malakas. Nababasa niya pero ayaw nyo gumalaw. Nababasa niya, sabi sa inyo, dami nating ero.
Coach Rod.
Yeah, he's reminding his girls na yung errors, i-lesson nila. And sila lang nagpapahirap sa galaw nila because andun na, nabasa na nila yung mga play ng Mapua. Pero hindi sila kumukuha ng bola. You know? Andun na sila sa position, pero wala kumukuha ng bola.
Ang words niya, hindi niyo sinesecure yung galaw niyo.
Yes.
Yan. Again, in volleyball, you gotta be sure with your movements. You gotta be fully committed.
Yes, and walang yours sa volleyball. It's always mine.
Yan. Wow.
Mas okay na nag-aagawan kayo sa bola, pero kesa dun sa walang kukuha ng bola.
That's right. Garcia gets that point.
Yes.
Roxy De La Cruz on her screens. Yeah, she is on the bench right now. She was substituted out of the game early on, and Roxy, she's hiding, I think.
Yeah, too much emotion there.
Yeah, showing us the emotions here. Of course, as one of the main gunners of this team, you want this opportunity
To help your team.
to help your team, exactly. But so far, her team is doing well. A kill block once again for the Lady Cardinals.
That was Ong once again.
Yan natin si Nicole Ong. Just a force at the middle. Bihira yung nakakalusot dito kay Nicole Ong.
Ha? Oh, tama ba yan? Namigay kayong 21 points? Ha? Hindi nyo kasi sinisecure eh. Ang pairali natin, yung tapang ng isip natin, hindi yung hina ng dibdib natin. Natatakot tayo magkamali, masyado nating sinisecure yung sarili natin, hindi natin secure yung galaw natin. Ha? Paikutin mo na lang ang isa.
All right. Yeah, you guys are seeing Roxy De La Cruz. Again, still very emotional on the bench of Mapua. Tama ba yung sinabi ni Coach Rod? Mapua only has 23 points. 21 errors daw sabi ni Coach Rod Palmer. Pero for sure it's less than that. You know, he's just trying to wake up this team. Kasi ganito na naman, nakakadikit dahil sa simula hanggang gitna, pagdating sa dulo, bumibitaw.
Yes, it's their errors na nagiging crucial for them.
So 23-18. By the way, Trixie Gohol is back in for Mapua. Underhand reverse set. Saved by Berses. Garcia! Powerful down the line hit.
Garcia, bring your whole family into that spike. Hindi kinahaya ng defense eh.
Buong angkan. Kargado doon sa spike na yan as we see Roxy De La Cruz. Set point for Mapua. Oh! Okay. That's a breather for EAC, so that enables them to stay here and stay alive rather here in set number 1. Lut and Omapas will be checking in. Balik si Coach Rod sa kanyang mga starters dito.
Yes. Again, gusto kasi ni Coach na always merong 3 attackers and 3 tall blockers sa harapan.
Lut. Good serve. Garcia. No answers from EAC side para dito kay Freyan Garcia.
Yes, that was a great target for her. Targeting zone 6. Walang katao-tao.
The rookie leading the Lady Cardinals in that set number 1. They win it 25-19 and they take the 1-0 lead. Pagbalik po natin, we'll proceed to the highlight stats and the second set of this match.